Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you one interesting topics. So I think it will be help you. So if you know how you can do this, you can just ignore this video. Otherwise, you can just stay with me and you can learn on these topics. Today I show you how you can check or your deleted message. Sometime you unfortunately by mistake you can delete some message, alright. So how you can check or see your deleted message, all right? So for example, this message, if I delete from here, so how I can check this one or undo, I mean how I can take from here, deleted. So if you want to check and undo deleted message, you just tap on the filters arrow. Then here is showing many option, all right. So you can just see the last option, the recently deleted. You just tap here. Then it's showing my recently deleted message. Hi, nice. All right. Then I just tap here. If you want to see details message, then you can just tap here and then you can just recover. If you want to recover, then this message going back to all message, all right. Yeah, this come back again here, then you can see again. If you see this is the no need, then you can again delete it. Yeah, done. It's nice. And thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.